Have you ever stood before the majestic pyramids and wondered how they came to be? This question is not just a mere curiosity, but a gateway to a journey through the sands of time. A journey that will take us into the heart of the ancient enigma that is the pyramids. These towering structures, grand in their design and execution, defy time and human comprehension. But their true origins remain shrouded in mystery, an enigma that has intrigued minds for centuries. Despite the countless explorations and excavations, the ambiguity surrounding their true origin persists. This ambiguity is not born out of a lack of effort, but rather the lack of definitive evidence. We find ourselves standing on the precipice of a quest to unravel the mysteries that lie beneath the layers of history. The sands of time hold many secrets, and today we venture into their depths. Our journey begins with Nathaniel Davidson, a man who dared to question the accepted truths. This visionary pioneer was not one to accept the status quo. He saw the pyramids not as static relics of a bygone era, but as dynamic puzzles waiting to be solved. Armed with a spirit of determination and a thirst for knowledge, Davidson embarked on a quest to unravel the enigmatic origins of these ancient marvels. But he knew that traditional methods of historical analysis were not enough. He needed something more, something groundbreaking. And so he turned to the burgeoning field of computer technology. Harnessing the power of cutting-edge algorithms and advanced data processing, Davidson sought to penetrate the dense fog of history that shrouded the pyramids. He believed that by applying these modern tools to an age-old mystery, he could finally uncover the elusive date of the pyramids' construction. But Davidson's journey was not without its challenges. The very idea of using computers to decode the past was met with skepticism and resistance. Critics argued that the cold precision of technology could never truly capture the warmth and complexity of human history. But Davidson was undeterred. He believed that the fusion of technology and history could open new doors to understanding, and so without fear or hesitation, he plunged headfirst into the vast ocean of historical data, determined to find the answers he sought. Each byte of data, each line of code was a step closer to the truth. Through countless hours of tireless work, Davidson began to see patterns emerge, patterns that hinted at a date hidden deep within the pyramid's stone walls. Davidson's quest was not just about finding answers, but about challenging the established norms. He dared to ask difficult questions, to push the boundaries of what was considered possible. And in doing so, he reminded us all that the pursuit of knowledge is a journey, not a destination. A journey that requires courage, curiosity, and an unwavering belief in the power of discovery. Armed with technology, Davidson embarked on his quest to uncover the true date of the pyramid's construction. This was no small feat. The pyramids, standing tall and silent for millennia, were not about to give up their secrets easily. But Davidson was undeterred. With the precision of a surgeon and the tenacity of a detective, he began his work. He turned to cutting-edge computer technology, a tool that had never before been used in this context. Using complex algorithms and intricate data analysis, Davidson sought to penetrate the veil of history and decipher the hidden codes etched into the very stones of the pyramids. This was a digital excavation, a virtual journey into the heart of the pyramids. His findings were startling. By comparing the data harvested from the pyramids with other historical records, Davidson was able to establish a timeline. But this was no ordinary timeline. It was a timeline that challenged long-held assumptions and dared to suggest a different narrative. The implications of Davidson's research were profound. If his calculations were correct, then the pyramids were far older than previously thought. This revelation had the potential to rewrite history, to change our understanding of the ancient world and its magnificent wonders. But Davidson's research was not without its critics. Many experts questioned his methodology, raising doubts about the validity of his findings. They argued that the technology used was too new, too untested to provide reliable results. But Davidson was unfazed. He stood by his conclusions, confident in the knowledge that he had uncovered a truth that had long been hidden. The results were as astounding as they were controversial, shedding light where shadows had long lingered. Davidson's work, though met with skepticism and debate, had irrevocably changed the way we perceive the pyramids. His quest to uncover the hidden date had opened up a world of possibilities, a world where history and technology intersect to reveal the secrets of the past. But in the pursuit of truth, we often find ourselves at a crossroads. In our quest to unravel the mysteries of the past, we encounter a fascinating dichotomy. We are torn between the allure of speculative theories, the captivating narratives they weave, and the need to uphold the integrity of historical facts. This conflict, my friends, is what we call the tug of war between infotainment and education. Infotainment, a blend of information and entertainment, presents historical events in a way that's engaging and appealing. It's like savoring a piece of chocolate-covered history, sweet, tempting, and hard to resist. However, in an attempt to make the past more digestible, we sometimes run the risk of distorting the facts, of nudging the truth off its pedestal and replacing it with a more tantalizing version. On the other hand, we have education, the unadulterated presentation of facts and figures. It's like biting into a raw, unpeeled carrot. It might not be as appealing, but it's wholesome, nourishing, and true to its nature. Education is the steadfast guardian of historical integrity, a beacon of light guiding us through the murky waters of speculation and conjecture. But where do we draw the line? How do we strike a balance between the two? It's a delicate dance, a careful negotiation, a tightrope walk on the thin line that separates fact from fiction. We must remember in the end, the goal is the pursuit of truth. It's about peeling back the layers of time to reveal the authentic narrative of our past. While it's crucial to make the journey engaging, we must ensure that the truth doesn't become a casualty in our quest for intrigue. So, whether it's the enigmatic date of the pyramids or the baffling patterns of red ochre, we must tread with caution, respect the facts, and always keep our eyes on the prize. The truth. So where does the line between fact and fiction lie in our quest for knowledge? It's a question we must keep asking ourselves as we continue to delve deeper into the mysteries of the past. As we dive deeper, we encounter the grandeur of the Grand Gallery and the enigmatic Edgar Brothers photographs. Tucked within the heart of the Great Pyramid lies the Grand Gallery, a monumental hallway that symbolizes the zenith of ancient engineering. Its enigmatic structure, a testament to the architectural ingenuity of the ancients, continues to inspire awe and fascination. Yet despite its grandeur, the Grand Gallery conceals more than it reveals. Its true purpose remains shrouded in mystery, a silent witness to the passage of millennia, its secrets guarded by the sands of time. Adding another layer to this intricate puzzle are the Edgar Brothers photographs. These photographic treasures, captured in the early 20th century, offer a rare glimpse into the pyramid's interior before modern interventions. Each frame, a window into a bygone era, invites us to step back in time and witness the splendor of the pyramids as they once were. The photographs reveal intricate patterns of red ochre adorning the walls of the Grand Gallery. These cryptic markings, believed to be the work of the pyramid builders themselves, hint at a time when the gallery served a purpose far removed from the tourist attraction it has become today. Could it be that these patterns hold the key to unlocking the true date of the pyramid's construction? The Edgar Brothers photographs also pose intriguing questions. What secrets might still lie hidden within the pyramid's stone walls? What stories could the red ochre patterns tell us about the people who built these magnificent structures? As we explore these possibilities, we are reminded that while we may never fully unravel the mysteries of the pyramids, the pursuit of knowledge is a journey in itself. Each discovery, each photograph is a testament to the enduring allure of these ancient marvels. The quest for answers continues, and with it our fascination with the past. So as we stand at the precipice of the known and the unknown, we are left with a sense of awe and wonder, for it is in the exploration of these ancient mysteries that we truly begin to understand the depths of human ingenuity and the timeless appeal of the pyramids. Each discovery, each photograph is a testament to the enduring allure of these ancient marvels. In the end, the pyramids still hold their secrets close, revealing only glimpses of their true past. Despite our best efforts, the exact date of their construction remains hidden in the sands of time. The work of Nathaniel Davidson, however, has been instrumental in challenging the status quo. using advanced technology to probe the depths of history. This reveals a crucial point. The pursuit of knowledge is an ever-evolving process, constantly reshaped by new discoveries and perspectives. The clash between infotainment and education is part of this journey, a testament to our enduring curiosity and desire to understand the world around us. From the majestic Grand Gallery to the enigmatic Edgar Brothers photographs, every piece of the puzzle brings us closer to deciphering the red ochre patterns and the stories they tell. Yet the real possibilities lie in the shadows, urging us to continue our exploration. The journey to uncover the pyramid date nobody can see continues. Will you join us on this quest for knowledge?